Hello, period 6. I just wanted to give you a quick video about what you'll be doing in class today. Remember that we will not be meeting on Zoom, so the classwork is going to count as your attendance, so the completed work that you'll be doing. So here's the classwork that's under the UN project. This is what I assigned yesterday, so this is what I'm going to be looking for in what you get completed. Everyone should have filled out a Google form for your project selection. If you haven't done so, you need to do so today, so I know what you'll be working on. And everyone else, you should be working on the research organizer. So I was looking at your documents. It looks like almost everyone has started this at least. You may not be finished yet, but what I'd like you to do is finish this for today. If you have to finish it for homework, that's okay too, but I'd like to have it done by the end of the day so I know that you attended class. This is the way I'm going to keep track of my attendance. So I'd like to see this completed. Remember, you're using your note cards that are in Mrs. Robertson's Google Classroom. You can copy and paste the information here. Okay, so I'll be looking for that to be turned in. I uploaded a couple other things that, this actually, the UN Podcast Project, you will only see this if you selected to do a podcast. So not all of you are going to have this listed in your classwork, so don't worry if you don't see it, but this will be the link for students when you're ready to start your podcast where you'll record it. So I can talk more about that tomorrow. Something else I uploaded, again, you probably won't get to this yet, but I just wanted to put information out here about how to organize your Google site and how to write your podcast, okay? Mrs. Robertson also provided a video about how to do a works cited and then information about how to create a works cited. So that would be one of the last things you do when you're doing your project. I'm just going to open this up for a minute. If you finish with the research organizer today, you can certainly look at this. This will give you some hints about how to get started with your project, about creating a Google site, and how to start writing your podcast, okay? So I'll talk more about this tomorrow, but you are welcome to look at it. There are some links here that I put in here. I have a link here as well, okay? So again, I'll talk about this more tomorrow, but feel free to get started on your site or working on your podcast and look at these suggestions here. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can feel free to send me a message. I may not be able to respond during period 6, but I can respond later on in the day. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on Wednesday.